Oh, there's one about to go off. It wasn't quite as impressive as I'd hoped. Oh. These are like wee tiny bottle rockets that they're setting off. Where's the big ones? They want the big ones.
Probably serve them until last.
That's what they do at Calendar Park when they have the grand finale, but... Oh, Spitfire. Oh, look at that purple flame up there, it looks like it's coming at the top of the rig. On Ineos, the way it's positioned. Well, it's not, I hope it's not anyway. Shouldn't be.
That's all you know, that's what people do, that's why I suggested it. You know, just going to put the rockets into the park and just let them go.
Oh, that's a funny smell.
That's a bonfire of some description.
It's not the bloody park, is it?
Huh?
No, that's what I was going to say. There's been a few times...
They've got loads from here. Just stand there and watch them.
Oh shit. They went right into the back of you there.
Yeah, they've got a few because they're...
It was like people with sparklers over there. I used to always get them when I was wee, sparklers. Oh.
My dad used to get boxes full of fireworks, but they was cheaper then.
So you've got to be quick because you just see a flash and then
Well,
they go off
I
and you
think
can...
another one this way, look. Or somewhere.
I can smell a fire but I can't see one, it's frustrating.
I don't know.
Oh. That's what I was going to say, there's been a few times the past couple of years this park has been a bloody bonfire. I'm talking about Guy Fawkes now. Nice and it.
There's one going.
What?
There's one going. Flop.
Well, that landed right on the grass.
That's where it landed, aye.
Oh, there's another one.
Aye. And that's probably going to land over here again because the wind's coming this way.
Little embers.
Boom, right there. It landed right there.
Just watch it don't land on us, Christ and H.
Oh, guide me at you, bastard.
I've had embers land on me before, not from fireworks, but I have had embers land on me. It's just like a quick warm sensation. It's like stinging. Oh, they must have some bigger ones, surely.
Like I said, they'll probably save the ones to last.
I want to get some pictures for the Grangemouth page.
You've got one there. You've got one here.
It's quite majestic watching those wee embers flying about afterward. You know, it'd be great if there was a big fire right in the middle there, but a controlled one by the council, I mean, you know, not just some random going up and lighting it.
You don't need the council, you do your own.
Nah, I mean, if it's like a big organised display, that's what I meant to say, you know, then...
That's what we used to do when we was kids. We used to get bloody step ladders out and go right to the top of them and build.
It would have been nice if the council could have organised a nice display to make up for the loss of the calendar display.
No, they want to waste the money on digging roads up that don't need doing.
Ah, but it's not that, it's... we've not got a calendar display, that was the only one the Falkirk district really had. Oh, sounds like somebody's been hit by a firework. What was that?
Oh, someone's having a painful dump.
But I mean, we don't have calendar this year, so...
No, but you've got Inshara Park instead.
No, but it would have been nice if they could have organised a small event in Grangemouth or something, you know.
Ooh, they won't do it like that.
Not one where there's a large gathering, one where you could just watch it from a distance, like the one in Perth was going to do. Whoa! Whoa!
That came down quick.
And close. Too close.
That's pretty somewhat.
I don't know if I caught the stick flying down on camera, but you could eat it.
I don't know, but it come down pretty quick enough.
Do you think we should maybe move to a different
That's all
spot?
part of the fun. By the time it hits the ground, it's out anyway.
It's still going to hit you with a bloody, like a spear though, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's it going? Where's it going? It's
I
going
don't-
that way.
I don't know, but that's kind of shot my anxiety up a bit.
No, you're fine. Don't worry about
I don't
it.
think we should stand, I think we should back up a wee bit if I'm honest. Just in case. I reckon that Liskey display might have been pretty good. It's a pity we didn't get there.
Yeah.
But it would have been very busy. And we would have had to get off right in the town centre off the bus. I don't really know where we could have went to watch it.
And do we have a response from Tel Aviv? We're still waiting for the Iron Dome to respond.
Just imagine, right, if a stray firework happened to go in there and they set the sirens off and it really did sound and look like Tel Aviv.
You've got Tel Aviv on the left and you've got Palestine on the right. At the moment it looks like a ceasefire. No, Tel Aviv is responding. There is a rocket from the Iron Dome about to launch very shortly. No.
That's a sparkler.
Oh no.
That was nice.
They've upped the ante.
That was an awesome one, but I can't lie, I'm quite anxious now since that stick landed. Where the hell did that go? Since that stick landed next to us.
I think that's where the flat coming from, the flat side, isn't it?
I don't know, I thought somebody lit a wee fire over there, but it was a sparkler or something. If we went further down onto the grass, maybe, I don't know.
Huh?
You should have went and picked up the stick.
The stick!
Souvenir. Souvenir. Is it hot?
It smells of og.
Hold on. Let me
It
see.
smells of og.
Oh, it does, but don't touch. No, don't really touch it, but kind of put your hand near it and see if there's any.
There's no on it!
Is there no heat
It's
coming
just
off
a
it?
stick!
Is there no heat coming off it though?
It's just a Horman stick.
It's burnt. Christ, but is
Yeah, of course it's burnt. It's had a firework on the end of it.
no heat? No heat coming off it. Right.
Christ an H.
But take it home with us. It's a souvenir.
What?
It's a souvenir.
Well, you can carry it then.
A Guy-Fi souvenir. Carry it where?
Well, I can't.
Hold on.